was the moment you made the biggest decision that made you feel your life was truly yours?
When I was a kid, I always knew that the things that will happen to us is not in our control. Pero yung mga gagawin natin, the way na sasakay tayo sa flow, sa wave ng buhay, is in our control. And as a kid, I am a dreamer. I am a big dreamer. Marami akong pinapangarap sa buhay and I always knew na kaya ko yung marating basta ipapursue ko yung gusto ko. Basta susundin ko yung way na gusto ko in order for me to achieve my dream life. So 2 years ago, that's when I decided to take the risk and to ride with the flow. Instead of going to college, I started my own business without knowing where it would take me. And after a year, I switched to hairstyling, shoe selling, and now, hindi ko rin na-expect na dito ako mapupunta sa fitness, sa first love ko. Kusa akong dinala ng buhay dito. But I took action, I took control, and that's when I realized na meron tayong power, na meron tayong ability para piliin at kontrolin ang mga actions natin na magdadala sa atin sa gusto nating buhay.